Good morning, children. In the last classes, in the last social class, we learned about the natural vegetation. So, natural vegetation means regarding to which one? So, vegetation is regarding to the plantation and trees that grow in the Greenland. So, what are the different types of plants and trees that grow in the Greenland? So, that topic we discussed in the last class. So, now let us know about the wildlife in Greenland. What are the different animals, wild animals that are there in the Greenland? So, here, whatever the animals are there, those animals have to sustain to the climate of Greenland. So, what about the climate of Greenland? Here, we have severe cold. Severe cold. So, the fur of the animals or thick fur the animals will have. So, because of that reason, it can be able to sustain the difficult weather condition. So, the coat of the fur is very thick. The coat of the fur. That means the animal coat of fur is very thick. Because of this reason only, they can able to survive to the very severe cold condition in the Greenland. So, fur means you will have observed now. So, the dogs, some of you are having dogs at your home. So, those will also have fur. Here the fur is very thick fur. And teddy bears. Have you observed the teddy bear? So, it will have thick fur, no? Like that. Here, these animals, what are the animals are there in the Greenland? Those animals are also having thick fur. So, because of that reason only, they can able to sustain to that climate. They can able to live in that climate. Okay. What are the animals that we can see in the Greenland? Here we can see the Riandi, polar bear, caribou, mink, musk ox. So these are the different animals that we can see in the Greenland. So what are those? Riandi, polar bear, caribou, mink, and musk ox. So these are the animals. You can see the picture in the page number 413. So here you have some animals. Caribou. So this is one type of deer. Arctic fox. So these are the animals that we can see. And apart from this musk ox, we can also see the animals like Arctic fox, Arctic wolf, seal. So these are the different animals that we can see in the Greenland or polar region. In the polar region. So what about the birds? Here we can see the birds like petrels, gulls, puffins, and Arctic terns. So this petrels, gulls, puffins. So these are the normal birds which we can see in the Greenland all the time. That means in all the seasons. In all the seasons. Whereas this Arctic terns, so these birds, so this is a small seabird. This is one of the small seabird. So flies to Greenland in summer and it will move to South Pole in winter season. So in summer season we can see in Greenland and in winter season it migrates to which pole, Nana? South Pole. Migrates to South Pole in winter season. So, which bird will move from Greenland to South Pole in winter season? Arctic terns. It's a very small seabird. Arctic terns is a very small seabird that will be in the Greenland in summer season and moves to South Pole in winter season. So this is about the different birds that we can see in the Greenland. So in the page number 413, you can see the picture of puffins. So this is also one of the bird which we can see in the polar region only. So you can see the picture of puffins in the page number 413. So these are also very small birds. And next, apart from this, we can also see the species of fishes. Different varieties of fishes we can see in the Greenland. So here, what are the different species fishes means? We can have the trout, salmon, carp. So these are the different types of fishes that are available in the Greenland. Okay, children. So these are the animals, birds, species, fishes. Different varieties of fishes available in Greenland. Now let us know about the life of the people. So what about the lifestyle of the people? What is the economic earnings of that country? So economic means what, Nana? Economic is related to the money. Economic is related to the money. So what is the main source to this Greenland? So what is the main income to the Greenland? So how the Greenland country is earning money? So that is about the economic activities. So here, what are the natural resources? What are available in the Greenland? So Greenland is a rich natural resources are there. In Greenland, we can see the many natural resources. Here, different minerals are available. Different minerals are available. So where these minerals will get? We will get inside the earth. So here, what are the different minerals that are available in the Greenland? Here we can see like zinc. So these are available plenty, abundance. So abundance means available in plenty. Abundance. So which are available in abundance? Here lead and zinc. Lead and zinc. These two minerals are available abundance. That means plenty available. More minerals are there. So which type of minerals? What are those minerals? Lead and zinc. These two are available in plenty quantity, in more quantity. So, and apart from these two, we can also get the uranium, copper and gold. Uranium, copper and gold. So these are also available in the Greenland. So they have to dig the land. So how we will get this coal mines or copper or iron? So by digging some kilometers, then only we will get. Here also in Greenland also, by digging the inside the earth, then they will get these minerals. Okay, children. So these two are lead and zinc are available in more quantity. Apart from this, they will also get the uranium, copper and gold in the mines of Greenland. In the mines of Greenland. Okay. So we said about the economic activity. Economic activity. What is meant by economic, Nana? Economic means which is related to the money aspects. Money aspects, which is related to the money. So what are the income activities? What are the money earning activities to this Greenland? Here, mainly the people will depend on fishing in Greenland. So majority of the people depend on fishing only. So most of the people will be in catching the fishes. Catching the fishes. Their main work is fishing only. And then what they will do by catching these many fishes means, so here they have fish industry. That means the fishes are export to the other country. That means they will sell the fishes to other countries. They will sell the fishes to other countries. Selling our products to other countries is known as export. Exports. Export means selling our products to other countries. Imports means buying from other countries. Here we are buying the product of other countries. So that is called as imports. We are importing from other countries. We are buying the product from other countries. That is imports. Here what this Greenland people are doing? The Greenland people are exporting to other countries. That means they are selling the fishes to other countries. Through that they are earning the income or money. So that is the main source in the Greenland. So this is the main income source to many people in the Greenland, and this is the one of the main source to the government in the Greenland. So here the country is getting income from which one? Fish industry. Fish industry. So this is the main industry where the Greenland is getting income. And apart from this also, agriculture is also farming. Farming is also practiced in small scale. So apart from this fishing or fish industry, so what is the other activity that they will do? Agriculture. What is that? Agriculture. So here usually it is not possible in this Greenland to do the cultivation, to grow the crops. So that's why wherever water is there, so not feasible water, and that to land is convenient to grow the crops in those areas only. That type of areas are very small in this Greenland. So because of that reason, the agriculture is also done in the Greenland in small scale. Small scale means very less of agriculture, little bit of agriculture. Little bit of agriculture is also done in the Greenland. So here what this agricultural land we can see in the Greenland. So in the Greenland, southern part of the country, southern part, south side part of the country, we can see the agriculture. In southern part or south side part of the Greenland, country means here Greenland, we can see the agriculture. So apart from this agriculture also, the people are practice sheep farming. Practice sheep farming. So that means they will rear the sheep. Sheep farming. Sheep farming is also one of the income activity to the people. So this is about the economic activity and natural resources of the Greenland. Okay children, so this is about the birds, wildlife, that means animals, birds, different varieties of fishes, and what about the life of the people, what about the economic activity, and what is the natural resources, those are available in the Greenland. So this is about the birds, species, fishes, life of the people, and economic activity of the Greenland. So next topic we will learn in the next class. Okay children, thank you, bye.